in early April, the slopes sandwiched between Legoland and the Outlet Mall in Carlsbad, California are alive with brilliant flashes of the 13 colors of a rainbow collection of ranunculus flowers carefully planted every year at the famous flower fields of Carlsbad. In 1965, the current site of the flower fields, a prime spot sought by greedy developers, was used to cultivate the ranunculus flowers by local growers. The flower fields are currently located on land owned by the Eco family since 1925, who previously used it to grow their Christmas poinsettias, and is still a working farm. Carlsbad has long been a popular location for growing agricultural products, including avocados, subtropical citrus fruits, strawberries, and flowers due to its fertile agricultural lands. Carlsbad has a semi-arid Mediterranean climate and averages 263 sunny days per year. Winters are mild with periodic rain. Ranunculi are cool season flowers that grow best in spring-like temperatures of about 55 degrees Fahrenheit, in warm climates. The tubes are planted in the fall, so they bloom in late winter or early spring. Armstrong Nursery and the Eco family has created a real tourist attraction for the flower fields by providing an in-person experience for the visit. Besides walking the dirt paths which surround the blooming fields, the Antique Gas and Steam Engine Museum, located in Vista, California, provides old tractors to pull wooden wagons for visitors to ride as they view the grand garden. Today, one of the major annual draws to Carlsbad's heritage is the yearly production of the colorful ranunculus flower on 50 acres planted on the hillside, easily seen from the freeway by passing motorists rushing to and from LA and San Diego. Approximately 100,000 people visit the beautiful nature display every year from April through the 1st of June. The giant tecolote ranunculus flowers that make up the flower fields are in bloom for approximately 6 to 8 weeks each year. The ranunculus is native to Asia Minor and a member of the buttercup family. Originally, the flowers were single-petal and ranged in shades of red and yellow. They most often come in multiple layers of delicate, crepe paper-thin petals, looking like an origami masterwork. The beautiful colors and fullness of the flowers of today are due to the careful selection and replanting process done over many years. Growers stagger the planting of the approximately 70 million ranunculus at the Carlsbad flower fields, which begins in the fall, so that the colorful hillside can be sustained in bloom for several months. During the planting, the seeds are so lightweight that silica sand is mixed with them when they are sown. Then a tractor covers them with mulch and compost to keep them in place. The seeds take about 4 to 5 weeks to germinate and about 6 months to bloom. Other attractions include the display of beautiful greenhouse-grown poinsettias, a display of exotic orchids, a blueberry spot for picking fresh fruit, a walk through a sweet pea maze, a large American flag of flowers made with red, white, and blue petunias, and then the availability to purchase fresh-cut ranunculus flowers and bulbs. Armstrong nurseries, located throughout California, sell the ranunculus bulbs through their retail sites and other distribution points. Eventually, the ranunculus flower begins to fade, beginning in the northern part of the farm where the first seeds are planted. The farm doesn't let the dying flower go to waste. Instead, the plant's bloodroot is reaped by machine where they are air-dried, grouped according to size, then packaged for sale. Due to the continued benevolence and foresight of the Ecker family, the flower fields will continue to be a national jewel, an attraction enjoyed for future generations in Carlsbad, California.